For number 3 of the section 5.5, we're going to rewrite the expression as a sum or difference, then simplify if possible. We have 4 multiplied by sine of 6x multiplied by cosine of 4x will be in the pattern of the cosine of the A times cosine of the B. We're going to follow this number 3 formula. So for our problem, we can rewrite it as 4 multiplied by sine of A times cosine of B. Number 3 of the section 5.5, rewrite the expression as a sum or difference, then simplify if possible. That means we're going to write the product to sum. And there are 4 different formulas of the product to sum expression. For our problem, we have sine of the quantity times cosine of the quantity. We are going to choose the formula 1, which is in the pattern of sine A times cosine B, where the A is 6x and the B is 4x. So we're going to start with rewriting it as 4 as a constant multiple of the expression sine of 6x times cosine of 4x. Where the A is 6x and B is 4x. Follow the formula 1 to get 4 multiplied by 1/2 times sine of A plus B, which is 6x plus 4x, plus the sine of the difference, or 6x minus 4x. Simplify again. As you see, 4 and 2 can be reduced. Now we have the coefficient 2 multiplied by the sine of 10x plus sine of 2x. And this is the result for the expression for number 3. For number 4 is similar. We are going to rewrite the expression as a sum or difference, then simplify if possible. We have the 4 times sine of the quantity times sine of another quantity, which falls into the pattern of the formula number 4, where A is 6x and then B is 4x. Starting with rewriting 4 as a coefficient of the sine A times sine B, or sine of 6x times sine of 4x. And then follow the expression on the right side of number 4, which is 1/2 multiplied by the cosine of the difference of A and B, or the cosine of 6x minus 4x, minus the cosine of the sum, which is 6x plus 4x. Simplify 4 and 2. Reduce it to be coefficient 2 multiplied by cosine of 2x minus cosine of 10x. And this is the result for the expression in number 4. And then the number 5, we rewrite the expression as a sum or the difference and simplify possible, similar to number 3 and number 4. We have the pattern of 4 times cosine of the quantity times cosine of another quantity. We're going to follow the formula number 3. We write this as 4, or the coefficient 4 multiplied by the cosine of 5x times cosine of 3x, where A is 5x and B is 3x. That means we have 4 multiplied by 1/2 multiplied by the cosine of the sum, or the 5x plus 3x, plus cosine of the difference, or the 5x minus 3x. Simplify if possible. So 2 and 4 reduce to be coefficient 2 multiplied by cosine. The sum becomes 8x and the difference becomes 2x. And this is the result for number 5.